Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add GIF to TikTok video. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! TikTok is rolling out a new editing tool that allows you to add GIF with sound to your videos. These are called GIF clips. They are powered by GIPHY and will be available when the new library option goes live in TikTok's mobile apps. So, what if you want to add GIF to your TikTok video? You want to upload video with GIF on your video. So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now we can just start record the video from your camera, or you can just add video from your gallery. For example, we just record from my camera like this, and we will upload it and add GIF on it like this. Okay. Now you can just tap on checklist on it. Before you upload it, you can see there is an option like sticker beside your screen. You can just tap on that. Here you can search for the GIFs that you want to add to your TikTok video. Like for example, I will add this GIF. Let's make it full on the screen. Now I will add another GIF again. This one. So here's the result. You can just upload this video to your TikTok. You can just tap on next and you can edit the cover like this. You can save it and you can just post it to your TikTok. It's so cool and so simple, right? So that is how to add GIF to your TikTok video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!